Okay, now we'll talk about how to configure and use Anki with the Zeemote. Start, of course, by firing up Anki. I'll select the Anki icon. We're then going to go to Preferences. Whoops, load sample deck. We're then going to go to Preferences and Navigation and enable Z1 support down at the bottom by checking on the checkbox. Okay, we'll go back, select a deck to review, and start reviewing. Now before you click Start Review, you want to make sure that your Zeemote is ready. Right now the LED is off, so I need to turn on the Zeemote by pushing the D button until the light starts flashing. Okay, now it started flashing. It's flashing blue and yellow because it's not connected. What I'll do is I'm going to click Start Reviewing, and notice that it asks me which Zeemote I want to connect with. There's only one, so I'll select that one. And now it's connecting, and you'll notice that the Zeemote is now flashing blue only. It's not flashing blue and yellow anymore. So now it's ready to review. So rather than clicking on Show Answer on the screen, I'm going to click on the same button, that's the D button, which is the button on the top. So I will select the D button here, and that brings up the answers. Now, there's 4 choices on the screen. There's actually only 3 choices on the Zeemote. The top button, if I was to push it again, would be the same as Easy. So I'll just go ahead and do that and push Easy for this example on the top. Okay. Now, we have a second question, a rack. I'll push the same button to go to the next card, but I'm sorry, to show the answers, but instead of doing Easy this time, I want to fail this. I don't know Baghdad. So I need to go to the Fail button, which is at the front. It's this button here. There's 2 buttons, and this is the top button. That was Fail. Now Rwanda, again, I can click any of these 3 buttons. I'm going to click on this one just for fun, and this one I'd like to pick Good. So again, of those 2 buttons at the front, I'm going to pick the bottom one, and that's Good. Those are the only 3 buttons right now. You need to pick Easy, Fail, or Good for each button, and any of those 3 buttons will be sufficient to show answer as you go to the next card.